everybody, I am Daniela and I am with SBK and Associates. Welcome back to our vCAD video series. So far we've covered how to create a new vCAD instance, how to access that instance via web browser or desktop client, and how to stop a vCAD instance once you're done working for the day. Here I'll be going over how to start your machine. So you will go ahead and go to your portal and you should be presented with a list of instances you've created. You'll want to click Start in order for that instance to be powered on. Once it is powered on, you'll receive this blue button that says click here to connect. You can click on that button to access your vCAD instance and you're all set. Now, next video I'll be covering how to delete some of your instances. As you can see here, I've got quite a few. These do come with an associated fee to run, so let's say you want to get rid of some of your instances. Please catch me on the next video for a demo on how to do that.